Hey guys, what I got here is a Arduino project I worked on for a couple of days, and what it is a very simple clock to tell you the time and also to tell you the date as well as the weekday that you're currently looking at. And there's a couple of protoboards here. This one contains the interface, which is 12 RGB LEDs aligned in a circle, and at the center is a momentary push button. Which, as you could tell by the text on there, I pulled out of a display toy. So it worked out pretty well. And a couple of headers on either side here to connect to this other board. And if you look down there in between the two closely, you could see that I wired it all together. I multiplexed all the LEDs together, and what's common is the anodes, and the uncommon parts are the cathodes. So these are actually all the cathodes, and also there's a couple of wires for the momentary switch in here as well. And you can't see it from this angle, but there are actually 3 resistors soldered in along with the rest of the soldering points down there, so that the LEDs are driven with resistors in line. So that's that part. The second part here I got is a Arduino Mini Pro, which doesn't have like the USB interface. It's nice and small. And on this side here, this whiteboard, it's a breakout board for the RTC module. So that's what keeps the time. Even when this whole thing is powered down, there's a little battery there that's keeping time. So it's pretty accurate, actually. And it's very easy to use. They have an Arduino library for that. You can see down here I made all the connection points with wires. And so, yeah. The way you connect these together is these headers on the corners here, or on the sides, go together like that. So let me go ahead and put that together for you. There you go. So once it's together, it's relatively small. To power this thing, at the moment I'm just going to be using a FTDI board. This is what you usually use to program the Arduino, or send the program to it that you've created on your computer. But you could also use it for power. In this case, that's what I'm going to do. So I got a USB board, a USB cable here, and just connect it like that. And I got a couple of headers here that I soldered together so that I can make a connection here to the Arduino. So let's go ahead and give that a connection. And all right, so it should be powering on. There it goes. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights I have turned on so that it's easier to see the LEDs. 1 second. All right, so here's the LEDs. Let's see if I could explain what to do here, how you should look at it. Basically, red is for the hours, blue is for the minutes, and green LEDs are for the seconds. So it actually has seconds on there. So you can see these down here. These are the seconds, and they're winding around the clock as the seconds go by.